Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today's video, we will learn about tuples. Tuples in Python, tuple is one of the sequence data type. What is tuple? Tuple is collection of items stored in one name. It is ordered. Tuple means it is a collection. Ordered, immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the tuple value. Can store different values, different data types, same as list. Now we will check example. Tuple t equal to, here we are using parenthesis 10, 43.2, Python, false. Tuple supports different data types. That's why here I will give the code integer, float, and string and the boolean values. Now we're going to run this code. Print t. I'm going to run. The output will be 1043.23 Python and false. Okay, the output will be okay. The CLS which is used to clear the screen. Okay, next it also accept duplicate values. For example, again I will give 10, comma 10, comma 43.23. The 10 will be repeated 3 times. 43.23 will be repeated 2 times. Tuples allow duplicate values. We'll check the output. 1043.23 Python false. 10 10 43.23 duplicates also displayed here. List also allows duplicates. Now we are going to accessing the tuple element based on index value. Here I am going to use the index 0, that is the first value will be printed. Now we will check the output. 10 will be printed here. Suppose I am going to use 1 means the second index value 43.23. Suppose I am going to use -1, the last value of the tuple will be printed 43.23 again from the last itself. We are going to use second means -1 minus the 10 will be printed. Suppose I'm going to slice the values from 0 to 3 means 0, 1, 2. There are 3 values will be printed. 10, 43.23 Python. The output will be 10, 43.23 Python. The 3 represent number of values. That is number of values from the index position to 3 values. Suppose I am going to give 4 means 4 values from the beginning 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run this code. Suppose I am going to give 1 to 4 means 43.23 means 43.23 to false. In this code 43.23 to false. So tuple supports slice operation also. Okay. Next one, tuples. We cannot modify the tuples. That is, a immutable means we cannot change the element. For example, I'm going to give tuple of 1 equal to 34. It will show an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So it is not possible because tuples are immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the tuple elements. If suppose there is one value means we are going to use comma, which is taken as a tuple. Now I'm going to run this code. 10 comma, it is like a tuple. Suppose there is no comma here, it will be taken as an integer. So the t value will be assigned to 10. There is no parenthesis in output. Now we will check the first one and second one. In second one, it will be taken as an integer value 10. In first one, we are going to add comma, it will be taken as tuple. So tuple support concatenation. For example, 1 comma 2 is a tuple 1, tuple 2 equal to 3 comma 4. Now I'm going to concatenate two tuples, print concatenation joining t1 plus t2. To run this code, the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Concatenation operator plus tuple also support repetition. For example, I'm going to repeat tuple 1 into 5 times. I'm going to print tuple 1 value is 1, 2 into 5 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It will be printed 5 times. Now we will check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The 5 times will be printed here. Suppose tuple name marks. I'm going to add some of the marks 45, 57, 87, 63, 72. The sum of the values for marks. Now I am going to print marks on this code. The values will be printed. The tuple functions or methods are, suppose I'm going to length of the mark. The function name is len. Len represents length. The length of marks will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. So the output will be 5. You can check the output. Max of marks, the maximum element of the tuple. The maximum element is 87. I will check. 87 will be printed here. Same as minimum in tuple, minimum element. That is a 45. We will check. 45 is printed here. One more function is sum of marks. The values are added. The sum will be 324. That's all about tuples, tuples, same as list. There is a one major difference. List we can modify or change. It is a mutable one. In tuples we cannot change, we cannot modify, immutable. In list we are using square brackets. Here we are using parentheses. That's all. Thank you.